and salutations, you guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Today is it's Sunday, and the weather is like out of control. It was literally sunny when I was walking outside, and then now like it's dark again and it's starting to drizzle. Like, do you see that? Anyway, today's gonna be a awesome day. We're gonna go thrifting. I'm so super duper excited. I'm not excited about the weather because in Southern California, once it starts drizzling, everyone gets kind of a little crazy on the road. So it's gotta be careful. But I'm really excited to go thrifting though. Okay, so like it's like really starting to like. Is it coming up? Yeah, it's raining now. Now it's like rain. Oh, this weather's crazy. Yesterday, the hail was like out of control. And earlier it was like sunny then dark, sunny and dark. It was literally sunny and now it's dark. It's also really windy, which is why I think like the clouds are like going by really intensely and it's like going from like dark. Anyway, I'm really excited to take you guys thrifting. Someone's like driving really slow next to the car staring at me. Anyway, let's go thrifting. I'm really excited. Hope you guys are too, so let's go. Alright you guys, we just got to the Goodwill. It's so windy and I'm literally wearing a jacket and pants. Who knew I owned pants? Well, they're like sweatpants. Here we are. How cute. They're ready for like Christmas. Aww. Whoa, they changed the layout of the store again. Check out all these furniture pieces. Not real marble. Not real marble, but still cute. This desk is really nice. $12.99 for those things. It's actually pretty cute. Chargers, cell phone cases, hair curlers. Not leather. It's a cute style though. Brighton, Kenneth Cole. Oops. Got a jumper. Oh, that's because it doesn't even have a cross or a strap. Oh, here's that Fendi Peekaboo looking bag that someone wanted. Oh, but I didn't notice that they literally wrote on the bag. I'm not gonna get it because I don't know if that's gonna come off. Rossetti. Oh, this is Fossil? Hey, this is cute. I actually think I thrifted this once. Okay, let's get this. Cute-ish. More furniture pieces. The store has been getting so many good things. Oh, this is interesting. Is this like for a salon? I can like put my hair dye in. Oh, I don't really need it. But what is this actually for? 50 bucks. Interesting. There's some baby cribs over there. A stool. Dresser. This would be so cute, like in the kids' room. Why do I want this for a plant? Oh, but not for 30 bucks. And I think this is just plastic. Cute though. Alright, checking out the knickknacks. Knick-knack paddywhack. There are so many like different places that make that bird design. Like, it's crazy. I literally see it everywhere. I know Jonathan Adler makes like a huge lucite one, which is super duper cool. That's kind of cute. Welcome home sign. Hearth in hand. plastic pumpkins. I'm pretty sure these are from the dollar section at Target. Digital air fryer, little unicorny things. This little chalkboard thing is pretty cute for like an entryway or an office. Do love faux foliage. This boxwood wreath is kind of nice. This Target. How much is it? I don't hate it. It's actually kind of cute. Oh, this is actually pretty cool too. Tray. Those little apple basket things are fun too. This box is kind of interesting. Are these in the shape of leaves? They are. Why is this kind of cool? They're $3.99. Why are they so expensive? Maybe if these go on sale. I think the color of the week is blue. But these are cute. You can put like sauces in here, or like a little whatever. I like this like colored pink glass. I'm just over here looking at all this stuff. Jewelry box. Dance. Ooh. You okay? This is almost the plate that I want, but I want the hearth and hand ones. They're so pretty. Those are from Target though. They're Project 62 or whatever the number is.
Princess, for the register, please.
Totally today. Don't really see any plates that are too exciting today. Is it just me or does that look like a little face? Ooh, shaped like a fish. Let's check out the mugs. Anything cool? Ooh, this is like iridescent, but the iridescence is coming off. Walgreen Company. Nothing really catching my eye. Oh, this is like a fun teapot. Gracie Bone China. Dutch call? That's really fun. I just really like the print on there. I found the teapot. It's the Gracie Bone China Mad Hatter teapot and lid. $35.99 on replacements. Oh, I guess it does kind of look like a little bit Alice in Wonderland-y. That's cute. Remember, you guys, your best friend is your phone and Google when you're like looking things up to see. You can find anything, maybe see how much it's worth, if you're gonna resell it or want to find out more information about something. Literally your best friend. This is interesting. Like, it's like ugly, but it's like cute. And I feel like if you decorate with it properly, it would look fabulous. Right? This is cool. So I feel like these pieces were really popular I feel like they still kind of are. That style vase. I'm having a ball just looking through the plates and stuff. Woo! Apple Watch series. Oh, wrong size. I saw this crystal candle holder, and it's like regular crystal, then it's black. I looked it up. It's a Shannon brand on the back or underneath it, and I guess he's one selling for $50 on eBay. Imagine that. But it's not really my style or anything. But I think that's it for this area. I think I scoured this whole section. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Does it open? Oh my gosh, how cute! For wine corks. Oh, is this a cheese knife set? I feel like I need this for my cheeses. $4.99. I don't know. It's a little like. Oh, maybe I'll hold out. This is kind of cute though. I feel like everyone on YouTube has these on their mantle. They're like so everywhere. $14.99 for the set of 3. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cute. It's like a white, like a chalkboard, and they can like write something. This is cute. $2.99. Oh. Hey, that's already done. Less is more. More is less. $3.99. You have the little Ray Done sign. This is their between like 9 to 12. Oh no, 18, 15. Okay, so I'm just like kind of like looking through the shoes just really quick. See if I can find any gems. These sort of look almost like Chanel, like the front. Oh, these are Tory Burch. Hey, they feel a little bit of conditioning. They're actually not too worn either. Hey, these are cute. I think I'm gonna get these. They're only $8.99 too. I found like this La Florandel, but it's La Florandel for Target and it's leather. There's a Kate Spade little zipper pouch. That's pretty cute. $2.99. Not in bad shape. This is literally the cutest. It costs $30. I'm seriously like thinking about getting it and putting it in front of my house. Hey guys, I just got inside the car. I actually went to Starbucks. I don't know why I said Starbucks. I went to Target, which has a Starbucks, but I just got a little EOS chapstick because my lips were so chapped. Like literally, they're gonna fall off. This weather just like is making my lips super dry. Can't even talk anymore. But yeah. Guys, I am home now and it has been a super fun day of thrifting and all that stuff. But if you guys want to see the rest of the videos from today's trip, don't forget to subscribe to the little bell button so you're notified when the rest of the videos do go up the rest of the week. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. for the new video. Check out the shop, itsHadrian.com. Again, 30% off everything right now until November 9th. That's how you this video goes up. I love you guys immensely and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Alright, bye.